Hi guys, I am back with another video. So I was able to get my hands on Triple D's May Diva Box, and this box came with a pumice stone cuticle pusher, probably won't use that, some acrylic paint pens, which homegirl cannot draw, and some stickers. So looks like there's some leopard print, some stickers, another one of those large alcohol wipes. I like those. I even bought me some off Amazon. And then the kit came with a total of 5 dip powders. And so you have Frenchie, which is a nice, very light pink. Probably use that at some point. Lemon cream, which is a color changer, pale yellow. I like brighter yellows better. Diva Dip 52, which is a vibrant pink. And Diva Dip 53, which is a yellow. I thought it was very pretty with shimmer in there. And one that reminds me of Fruity Pebbles cereal. And so it has a lot of small glitters in there. Very nice. Again, boom, I like Diva Dip 52. That yellow with the sparkles in there. I don't know. I haven't decided what I was going to do with these stickers yet. I don't know. And then those acrylic paint pens, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them because I can't draw. So this Frenchie, I have my swatch dots that I super glued on top of there. Diva Dip 52, 53, ooh, look at that, that was pretty. And Diva Dip 54. It reminds me of Fruity Pebbles and lemon cream. So I decided to do a mani with Diva Dip 52 and 54. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. And I did put on or apply 2 coats of Holo Taco Pilly Base, and I have my dusting brush, my precision tool, and I will be using Triple D's Delicate Dip liquids. So guys, after I got that glitter nice and laid down as flat as possible, I encapsulated my nails in S&S Natural Set Sheer off camera. I would normally go in with a soft bristle toothbrush, but delicate dip liquids are low, older dip liquids dry slow. So I'm just using my dusting brush and getting that, as much of that excess dip powder off. And so I'm going in and applying activator. I'll wait about 5 minutes and do my fouling and buffing. If you want to see my fouling and buffing routine, I will link that in the cards. That video is time stamped and you can go directly to the fouling and buffing portion. So for whatever reason, fouling and buffing with this particular set was a little difficult. It was weird. It was very lumpy. So I did the best I could with fouling and buffing. I removed excess dip powder, or dusting the dust from fouling and buffing, and wipe my nails with water. So I'm going in with clear jelly stamper plate. It has a lot of different phrases on there. And so I decided to go with less bitter, more glitter. I want to just apply that to my middle nail. Haven't done stamping in a while, and I was like, let me just do a simple stamp. Y'all, it was not that simple. Let me just tell you. And so I am applying Maniology Sticky Base Coat, and I do have an affiliate discount code for Maniology. I will have that in the description box below. So I'm just applying that to the nail, and then when you're doing nail stamping, you want to make sure that you wipe your your plate with acetone. Now the acetone that I'm using is Revel Nails non-white acetone. I think it's pure acetone, but it felt like it left a little residue on my plate, and I had a little difficulties picking up that image for whatever reason, and I haven't stamped in a while. So I'm using my clear jelly stamper Big Bling cube, and I'm using a sticky pad to remove any dust that may be left over from the last time I stamped. I'm going in with black, and here I am thinking, okay, I got a simple scrape. You're gonna pick that up. The letters weren't filled all the way in. Now I should have left well enough alone to stamp that on my nail and kept it moving, but I did not. I go in a second time. Let's go ahead and clean that plate off and give that a few seconds to dry. And this is sped up. Going in again with that same sticky black, scraping. See, that's why I'm thinking it was the acetone that I used, and so it still didn't pick up. And I wipe it on the pad again. Ingenious me. I crack myself up when I do this stuff. I don't know why I'm thinking, let me turn the plate the other way. Like, is that really gonna make a difference? No. But for whatever reason, I continue to do it. Lord, just pray for me. That's all I know. And so finally I said, forget it. 2 tears in a bucket. We're gonna go ahead and go with it. We're gonna stamp. Nope, I didn't stamp that one either, because there was some shadowing after glitter. And so I think the 4th time was the charm. 4th or 5th, I've lost count at this point. So I'll go in and try it again, and I stamped it on the nail, and I was like, at this point, yes, I really was 2 tears in a bucket, and just placed it on my nail and kept it moving. And then I go in and apply smudge-free top coat in preparation for, or to prevent that from smudging or smearing. And it did end up smearing a little bit. So I'm applying Maniology's smudge-free top coat on top of that image. Before I do that though, I am cleaning it up with a cosmetic Q-tip to get any excess black, because black is very staining, very, very staining. And so once I apply the smudge-free top coat, I allow that to dry, and then I'm going to go in with activator and dip powder top coat. So after that smudge-free top coat dried, I'm going in with Triple D activator, and then I'm going to wait 45 seconds. And I'm timing it on my phone. So after the 45 seconds, you are then to go in with a lint-free wipe and alcohol and wipe the nails to remove any excess activator that did not dry. And so after you wipe with alcohol, you wait another 45 seconds. See, I told y'all I found me some of those big wipes on Amazon, because those little other wipes that you just use for a finger prick, you know, that's just doesn't have enough alcohol on it. So again, I wipe with alcohol, wait another 45 seconds. I'm then applying my first layer of top coat, and again 3 swipes across the length and the width of your nail, and it just depends. Sometimes it may take more than 3. It just depends on how wide your nails are. My thumbnails are kind of wide, and so I'm wiping the brush off on a paper towel, and after that first coat you want to wait 2 minutes and then go in with your second coat of dip powder top coat. So after the 2 minutes, I'm going in with my second coat of top coat. Now here's where I messed up, because I wanted to apply some rhinestones. You guys know I like to apply some extraness to my nails or some adornments. And so I'm going in and I wanted to do several rhinestones on the corner of my thumbnail. And then I end up putting too many and I tried to take it off. And it just took me a minute. Again, low odor dip liquids dry slower. So you have some time to work. And so I end up putting more top coat on the thumb. It's still dried. Now, let me just tell y'all, it dried. It didn't dry as shiny as my as the top coat has dried in the past, because I've used it before and no issues. And that's probably user error, because the top coat's not contaminated and I haven't had any issues up until that day. And so you see I'm going in again, and that's the third coat of top coat. Don't do that. Even though it dried, and I will say it dried, it was shiny, but I did not like the overall look of the top coat this time. And again, I'm assuming it's user error. So what I did was, off camera, I did apply Triple D's Delicate 2-in-1 gel top coat, or base and gel top coat. And so I cured that. I put it right on top of there, and it didn't peel. Even though these nails lasted for 2 days, the top coat did not peel at all, and so it gave me a nicer shine, and I did like the overall look. So I'll insert a picture. The picture at the end is a picture with the gel top coat. So once your nails have dried, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. Nice vibrant colors. Again, I think pink is the color. Pink is the color. This is like my second or third pink mani. So apply your favorite cuticle oil, guys. Massage that end. And voila, enjoy yourself, live your best life, look at your nails and be happy. That's all I can say. So like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free, and I would be much obliged, and I would appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will definitely see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.